18s. They're comparable to American-based Godfather 18s, pretty much.
Okay.
Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High Explicit Audio and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Follow your YouTube page.
Oh yeah?
Nice.
What's up, man? Nice to meet you.
Nick.
Jacob. Could you tell me real quick what I was in here, man?
Yeah, I got two Genius Audios, 8s, I think 18s. They're comparable to American-based Godfather 18s, pretty much.
Okay.
Made in the same factory, so motor same, Forge coil.
Yep.
I have on a SoundCube, old school 3500, 1 ohm, 48 amp hour headway bank, 4 PRV MR 6.5s, and then on an SPL 1500 at 8 ohms.
Okay.
I think it's pretty.
All right. You built this?
Yeah, flat wall, tuned 31 and some change. After displacements, box is about 12.8 cubes.
Okay. Nice work, man. Looks good. Does your back seats go down if you need someone to ride with you?
Yeah, if I have 5 kids, so if I want my kids to sit back, I can actually put my seats back, put my seat back in it.
Awesome.
I can't play with people back there, but
Sure.
it don't work.
Yeah, I understand. Awesome. All right. Let's go look at the amp and all.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks for watching.
Catch up to love, I could never tell. I know chasing after you is like a fairy tale, but I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel. catch up to love, I could never tell. I don't know. Chasing after you is like a fairy tale. But I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel.
Back now, round and around like a horse on a carousel.
Here to do that today.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. What was your name, man?
Nick.
Nick. Thank you, Jake. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching, man.
Yes,
There's a
sir.
back. I'm gonna
Round and round like a horse on a carousel. We go. Will I catch up to love? I could never tell. I don't know. Chasing after you is like a fairy tale. But I feel like I'm glued on tight to this carousel. Come take my hand. Turning back.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Explicit, Droppin' Hertz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.